Need to unblock someone on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Whether you blocked a friend by mistake or want to start receiving their calls and messages again, the process only takes a minute. Just follow these simple steps. Opening the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. It's the green phone icon that you use for making and receiving calls. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens additional options related to your phone settings. From the menu, choose Settings. Here you will find several call-related options, including call blocking and caller ID settings. Now, tap Block Numbers. This page displays every phone number and contact that is currently blocked on your device. If you have blocked several people, scroll through the list until you find the one you want to remove. When you've located the contact or number, simply tap the minus icon or the X beside it. The contact will instantly be removed from the blocked list, so there's no need to save or confirm the change. Once unblocked, that person can call you and send text messages again without any restrictions. If they tried contacting you while they were blocked, those missed calls or messages won't be recovered, but any future communication will come through normally. If you don't see the contact in the blocked list, double check that you're using the correct phone number, especially if the person has multiple numbers saved in your contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Samsung Galaxy tips, Android tutorials, and easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.